on Zone TV. Our favorite people from the Zone suit up to face the Velcro Wall of Terror! They pledge to show us their speed, their agility, their talent, and their stickiness, and you, boys and girls, get the exclusive privilege to watch them make fools of themselves and see who can be the stickiest. Let's meet our judges. They will decide who is crowned the champion of sticking. Let's meet our first contestants. They are special guests from South Tampa. They're sisters, Miss Savannah and Miss Alyssa! Now, my friends, Miss Savannah, which pose are you gonna try and stick today?
I am gonna stick the Spider-Man. I've been training for weeks.
And Miss Alyssa, do you think you can take her on?
Anytime, any place.
All right, well, Miss Alyssa, you are up first. Let's get to sticking! Wow, that was great, ladies. How do you feel? You look great. Let's see what our judges think of Miss Alyssa's jumps. Ooh. Let's see what they thought of Miss Savannah's jumps. Wow, I think the Spider-Man was the way to go. Boys and girls, give it up for Miss Savannah and Miss Alyssa! Let's see who's next. He is the campus leader of our brand new campus, Land O'Lakes. Boys and girls, give it up for Mr. Grant! Come on! Okay, Mr. Grant. How are you going to wow the judges today?
You know, I'm just out here to win, and I think that's all I have to do. That's it.
Okay, let's see what our judges think of Mr. Grant. Not bad.
That's not bad.
Not bad. Give it up one more time, super loud, for Mr. Grant Kelly. Woo! Woo! And next to stick and do a fancy trick is the one, the only, Miss Kayla! Wow, okay, Miss Kayla, who are you dedicating this performance to?
This performance goes out to my Zone Dance team members at Temple Terrace.
Good luck, Miss Kayla. Wow, Zone team at Temple Terrace. Are you guys proud of Miss Kayla or what? Let's see what our judges think. Okay then, better luck next time. Last but certainly not least, to know him is to love him. And you boys and girls, you all know him. Give it up for Mr. Will. Mr. Will, what trick are you gonna try and stick today?
Well, my last name starts with a K, so I was thinking I'd come up with a move called the Special K. But I can't write too good, so we'll just see how that K turns out. I don't know.
Boys and girls, wish him luck. Judges, what score are you going to give Mr. Will? How do you feel about that?
Can't win them all, you know? Sometimes you gotta lose, and it's just whatever.
All right, boys and girls, for the final round, these contestants have one more shot to impress the judges. These judges are looking for who can stick the highest. Who do you think it will be? Let me hear you cheer them on. Let the final round begin. Wow, that's gonna be hard to beat. Boys and girls, make some noise. Let me hear you scream. Let's see how Mr. Will does. Whew, that's gotta hurt. Okay, boys and girls, our judges have talked it over. Judges, who will the winner be?
Miss Alyssa.
Yes! Yes! Ah, in your face!
Woo! Congratulations, boys and girls. Give it up one more time for Miss Alyssa! You did it. You defeated the Velcro Wall of Terror, and you are crowned champion of all things sticky.